Okay, now this self-determination theory, right? Richard Ryan and Edward Dacey, right? So there is this 2000 review paper. You guys can look it up actually. We just copy and paste. I think it's in American Psychologist, right? That is very free, right? So for those of you who are working in the education sector, working with preschool schoolers, working with primary, secondary students, you should be familiar with this, right? I mean, if you've been to NIE, you should be familiar because this is from NIE, right? I presented this at NIE, right, like 2 years ago, right? So you can see that we have this continuum of self-determination, right? Varying from a motivation, extrinsic motivation, and then all the way to intrinsic motivation, right? Never mind, right, about what all those small ovals, right, on the second level mean. Okay, I will leave everybody to figure it out, right? So they're just variables, I would say. And then the big thing, extrinsic motivation, they are the big variables or the factors. All right, so altogether we have three main factors, but intrinsic motivation, just for the sake of our module, our final exam, I want everybody to be clear about the definition, right? So it's the inherent tendency, right? Yeah, it's not driven by anybody else to seek out novelty, challenges, and we want to extend and we want to exercise our capacities, right? To explore, to learn, right? Yeah. So this is a long-winded version, all right? And then without expecting any kind of reward, right? So if you really want to perform an activity, right, in order to attain some separable rewards, right, that is extrinsic motivation, right? It's like saying, I want to get a distinction because I want to be on the dean's list, right? So the dean's list is an extrinsic motivator, right? As compared to I want to, get this distinction. It's because getting the distinction makes me happy, all right? Makes me feel that I gain a lot of self-esteem, right? That would be intrinsic motivation, right? So I would encourage everybody to aim for the latter one, okay, not aim for the former one, because the former one that will fade with time. That thing will never last, right?